Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is the first time, you're welcome to this channel, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, in case you've not seen my previous video where I shared the video on how I use the clove oil for my braid for 30 days, I'll drop the link in the description box, or the link is going to pop out at the top right side of the video. So yes, this is me taking down my braid, and this time I used the clove oil to detangle the braid, the new growth part of the braid, as I was twisting it down. So I always make sure I start from the tip of the twist or braid to take it down, because it's very important. Starting in between it might cause breakage, not might, will actually cause breakage. So that's why I always make sure I start from the tip of the hair to take down my braids, and I always do that gently because I don't want any breakage for my hair. So while I use the clove oil on my hair for 30 days, there were some things I experienced and I noticed. The first thing I noticed was the shine. Like, the clove oil really had shine to my hair. It added shine to my hair. My hair was shining, so like, and then the black was popping, like the color of my hair was popping, like really dark and shining. So it also kept my hair moisturized, very very moisturized. Like, I didn't experience any dryness at all while I was using the clove oil for 30 days. I didn't experience any dryness of the hair. My hair was always moisturized, and it was really, you see that shining, like like, even to the point that people even noticed. There was a time my friend was like, wow, this your hair is shining, what are you using? And then I was smiling that, oh my god. Like, so the changes are actually visible. So yes, clove oil adds shine to the hair. And also, within the 30 days I used it, I didn't experience any itchiness of the scalp. Like, there was no itchy scalp at all, like at all. Despite the fact that I was using the oil back to back, I didn't experience any itchiness of the scalp. It was only during the period of when it was almost 30 days that I started feeling itchiness, but I won't say it's because of the oil. I would say it's because of the dirt in my scalp, because it was already a month and I always wash my hair um once every 2 or 3 weeks. So that must be the reason why I had the itchy scalp around that. It wasn't even something serious. It was just I just felt it for some time, and I knew that my hair was already dirty and it needed to be washed. So I didn't experience any itchy scalp at all. At all. The itchiness I had was just was a sign that my hair is dirty, I need to wash it. So I didn't experience any itchy scalp. So guys, as always, I always take down my braids in section, and this was the next morning. I actually took down the braid at midnight, and I couldn't complete it. I couldn't complete the detangling because I was feeling very sleepy, so I had to wait till the next morning. And yes, after taking down my braid, I section it so I'll be able to detangle the hair very easily, and for it to be fast. So I made use of my leave-in conditioner, as always, Mega Growth Leave-in Strengthener, and I make sure that I finger detangle before I go over with my comb. It's very important, especially the fact that braids like this, and it was a twist, so I had to really take my time to finger detangle it before I go over with the comb, so that I won't have much hair breakage. Remember, doing a particular stuff for hair growth, you also have to be careful so that it doesn't lead to hair breakage. So this was it after I finished detangling the hair with my finger. and then I went over with my comb to gently comb it out. So I did the same thing for the other part of the hair. So yeah, I was just making sure I detangle the hair very properly, because I've had my experiences where I don't detangle my hair very properly before I wash it, and I used to have so much breakage. So I was going to wash my hair obviously, because it was already over a month since I washed it, and I had to make sure I detangle it thoroughly before I go and wash it. And I'm going to be sharing the video of my um relaxer relaxed hair washing. I mean, how do I put it? I'm going to send the video, I'm going to share the video rather, of me washing the hair after taking down this braid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please tap on that red subscribe button to support this baby girl, okay? So guys, this is the final look of detangling my hair, and this looks so beautiful. So I'd like to say that patience really is important whenever you're doing your hair, whenever you're making your hair. In the process of your hair journey, your hair care routine, patience is very important. It is very important. And it took me over 2 hours to take down the braid, and also an hour plus to properly detangle the hair. And trust me guys, it is worth it, okay? So always prepare a special time for your hair, that you won't be distracted by anything, so that you don't cause damage to your hair. So this is the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.